dears, welcome to Beauty for Heart. I'm Lily, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you dears the Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks swatches and review. I've been wearing these lipsticks for a while now and I have to say, I am really impressed. Now that we are not wearing masks, if you are into creamy matte high quality yet affordable lipsticks, you may want to continue watching. And yes, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe. And now, let's get started! First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Just in case you dears are curious, I'm wearing this number 110 Be Invisible throughout the talking part of this video. This lipstick comes in a sleek octagon matte black tube with the Catrice logo over here. And this feels high-end. Catrice always has good quality packaging despite their affordable pricing. But because of the packaging, for the longest time, I didn't realize that this is the Catrice latest matte lipstick range. It has the exact same packaging with their previous matte lipsticks, which is the Demi matte. So can you dear see? This is the Demi matte lipsticks, which is discontinued, and this is their latest matte lipsticks, which is the Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks. Can you dears tell what is the difference between these two packaging? The lipstick comes with this white teardrop shape, which is great for precision. The lipstick cream tube seems to have frosted finish, which is consistent throughout their creamy matte lipsticks, which are their previous two range, Ultimate Matte Lipsticks and the Demi Matte Lipsticks. And if you dears can see, there is another Catrice logo over here on the lipstick. You can get these Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks at Guardian Pharmacy. I bought them last year before the GST and inflation hike. They cost $8.30 each. Yesterday I went to Guardian Pharmacy but forgot if there's any change in their pricing. Now let's talk about the formula. This lipstick is described as vegan and collagen infused, which immediately stirred my interest. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The formula is creamy matte and glides on smoothly on the lips most of the time. But recently, I've been doing a lot of different lipstick swatches. It dries my lips. So sometimes when I apply this Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks, it does tug a bit. But with lip balm applied, these lipsticks go on smoothly. These lipsticks have a beautiful creamy matte finish, yet my lip lines are not showing, which I am impressed. These are infused with vegan collagen, hyaluronic acid, murumuru butter, and aloe vera for visibly plumped and deeply nourished lips. And the best part? These lipsticks are cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about what you are putting on your lips. Not only that, they are also paraben-free, microplastic particle-free, alcohol-free. They are lightweight with intense vibrant colors which are long-lasting. The lipstick is available in different shades from nude to rose and pink to both red and orange shades. It is scented with the same scent to their previous two lipsticks range. They are definitely transferable. These Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks are easily removable by makeup remover. Let's briefly compare the previous Demi Matte Lipstick and the current Vegan Collagen Matte Lipstick. This is their previous Demi Matte Lipsticks, which is already discontinued. I did a detailed swatch and review video of this Demi Matte Lipstick range. Just in case you dears are interested to know more about this range, you may want to refer to the video. I will attach the URL over in the description box and at the icon over here. So this Demi Matte Lipsticks is already discontinued, so that's why I don't want to compare the two lipsticks in details. As you dears can see, these two lipsticks range has the exact same external packaging and scent. They have very similar finish on the lips, with the great difference that for the new one, which is the Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks, they make my lips seem smoother and more plumped up than their previous Demi Matte Lipsticks. I had already decluttered most of my Demi Matte Lipsticks as of now and enjoy using their later matte lipsticks, which is the Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks, and I don't think I will declutter them. Overall, I'm really impressed with this Catrice Vegan Collagen Matte Lipsticks. The packaging is classy and sleek. Formula is fantastic. The fact that this is vegan and cruelty-free just makes it all the better. Not only that, they are paraben-free, microplastic particle-free, and alcohol-free. So if you are looking for a creamy matte lipsticks to add to your collection, I highly recommend giving this a try. Best still, get this when Guardian Pharmacy is having a discount. I hope that this video is helpful for you, dears. And now, dears, it's your turn to share with me. What is your favorite lipstick color in this video? I love to hear from you, so please comment. And now, dears, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. If you are sad, add more lipstick and attack. Thank you dear so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell notification button below for my future video. If you'd like to connect with me more, please visit me at my Instagram and Facebook platform. The address will be over here on the screen. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye! And before you go, please check out this video that YouTube think it is best for you. Thank you!